Yeah, so the setting is the same thing. So the company, whoever tries to log in, they may get a script which needs to be placed and a link which needs to be placed in a HTML root file. So that already we have been demoed and it's working fine. And theme management is the one which we have been given the same exactly what the user sees in the business side. So there the user can edit everything over here, the colors and all these things. So user can pick a color and all. We have made everything in a user friendly way of theme editing. So everything is user friendly. Once you make the changes and click on the save the changes button, the complete theme will be changed based on the requirements or based on the necessity. Okay. The third one is member management, which the user can add a member, email address, and the role. Role he needs to define it first in the role management, and then the member management. Once he define a role, at least one role, then he can add a member. So it should be a unique email address across the application. And once we save the changes, it will be saved to the particular user. And the name members will be defined over there. And the role management is the one where the user will have all the things which we have removed previously. So he can able to follow the things over there. And the widget management is the one which we have been integrated newly. So widgets are nothing but a kind of a like widget, and it can be any widget. So we have been defined currently configured with 5 different kinds of widgets. One is a card, list button, radio button, rating, and feedback. So what card will do is card is nothing but a user can have his own customized card and number of cards. He can place an image, title, subtitle, and description. And action is the one which will be displayed as a buttons in the card section. So we have a button set. You can give in a name and the link. Link is nothing but whenever the user clicks on that particular button, that will be navigate to the particular site. Let's say I'm having a shopping cart and I'm displaying a product called Samsung M11 mobile. So that I will probably provide all the information like title, subtitle, description, and action followed by the link. So once I send everything over here, let's say I'm giving Samsung M11 and it's a smartphone. Then the subscription will be sent. And here, here we can have a purchase thing, and here I'm going to define it as a link, and we can have a number of cards over here. So once everyone is defined a particular card with particular customized actions and everything, he can able to place the things over there. So the same features which I'm giving. So what the user can able to add a card, and he can add a number of cards. Okay, and a list button is nothing but this will be a number of things. So the list buttons will be like a panels. So let me show you this example. So this is how the list button. So this once you select list buttons, so this will be the output experience of the list button. So we can define our own custom name for each and every list button. Once the user, so this is internal team, they can't click on it. Once the user displays it, and if you click on it, that will display as a message over here. Okay. And the third one is radio buttons. Radio buttons can be enabled with how many options you want. They can be enabled with that many options. So once the radio buttons has been configured, that options will be displayed as it is. So once you check on any of the radio button, that particular checked radio button will be sent it as a message to the internal team. And the third one is rating. Rating, we can define a title for the rating. Let's say I want to have a provide rating for the chart. And the second one will be the submit title. Submit title. So the rating stars will be 5-star. The submit is the button name. So the submit button name can be rating. So once the user clicks on that button, he can have the particular widget over there. The feedback has the same thing. Feedback title, placeholder, and submit button title. I will give a so here we are currently accessing only the values, but we will provide a preview section at the right, and that also accepts the same like theme. The theme, however, we have the things right. Same, they can able to edit everything over here. So they can preview in the right section, and once everything is done, they can save the changes. So these can be happen for the widget too. So they can enable, and they can have the things over in the right people. I will add it for sure. So once the widgets has been added, so in the chart panel, so once you click on any user, they can able to add a widget by click. So every user So this won't be happen for the group chat. This can only be happen for a one-to-one chat. In the one-to-one chat, the user can click on the add widget, and here the user will be able to see that company's customizable widget. So here the company holds 4 widgets. These particular companies, so the user who have been registered with a particular company can able to see only his widgets. So his widgets has been displayed here. Once he selected something and click on that thing, that will be posted here. So these will be sent to the chatbot, and the user can able to select the option over there. And so once we add a previous section, then you can able to see the company can able to see the preview of the, and they can able to change the colors. But the functionality part is been defined. But the previous section I will try to add it, and I will commit the code on the edit line.